the Chef George, owner of the company Events by George Catering. Today let's cook the most easy chicken recipe. Is the chicken cilantro lime. Is the favorite recipe chicken for my wife. I dedicate this recipe for her. Ingredients for the easy recipe for today: extra virgin olive oil, chicken breast, fresh cilantro, lime juice, complex seasoning, Himalayan salt, and black pepper. First of all, let's season the chicken breast with Himalayan salt and black pepper. Is the most important. Always you need to season in the meat, fish, seafood, any kind of beef, whatever. You need to season it always with salt and pepper. And we reserve. In a blender, we put fresh cilantro, lime juice, olive oil, and complete seasoning. We blend it, and like this. It's the fun. We put the chicken breast steaks with the dressing that we prepare with cilantro. Continues like this, seasoning with the beautiful marinade. Okay, we add, after 20 minutes, the chicken breast in the fridge. We put in the fry pan 2 spoons extra virgin olive oil, and we start to fry the chicken breast. Medium low fire, because we need that the chicken cooking good for both sides, but inside will be juicy. This recipe is incredible, and the flavor and super easy. In 15 minutes you have the chicken on the table with your family, friends, or invite. We flip up and look how beautiful brown is the chicken now. Another 4 minutes from the other side and we'll be ready. This is the final result for the chicken cilantro lime. For me, is the most simple recipe for chicken. Is very flavor, have juice inside, is incredible, this flavor for this recipe. I hope that you enjoy the recipe. Share, like, your comments are very important. And remember, we make any kind of event and any kind of food too. We put every day a new recipe in our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.